So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now we're going to expand Windows NT. We're going to scroll down until we find Windows NT. Here it is, you want to expand it. Now we're going to expand current version. I want to make this a bit bigger. And now we're going to click on Software Protection Platform. So we're going to scroll down until we find Software Protection Platform. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find Skip Rearm. This right here, Skip Rearm. You want to double click on it. You want to make the value data in this box right here to 1. So make sure that in this box you have the number 1 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.